Hello and welcome to English Time with Ben. My name is Ben. I am from the United States. I am glad you are here today. Today's episode is about my goals for the future. I will help you practice how to talk about your goals in simple English. I will give many examples. I will also give a long monologue you can use. You can listen and repeat. You can pause the video and repeat any sentence. Talking about goals is important. Goals help us plan our life. Goals help us study and work. Goals help us feel happy and confident. In this lesson, we use simple words. We use short sentences. We practice speaking and repeating. We practice clear phrases. We practice useful verbs like want, plan, hope, and need. First, I will teach some simple phrases. These phrases are easy to use. I will say each phrase. Then I will give an example sentence. You can repeat after me. You can pause and repeat. Phrase 1 is I want to. Example sentence is I want to be a teacher. Repeat the sentence. You can pause and repeat the sentence now. I want to be a teacher. I want to help students learn. I want to live in a kind city. I want to practice English every day. Phrase 2 is I plan to. Example sentence is I plan to study for 2 hours each day. Repeat the sentence. You can pause and repeat the sentence. I plan to study for 2 hours each day. I plan to save money. I plan to travel next year. I plan to learn a new skill. Phrase 3 is I hope to. Example sentence is I hope to travel to another country. Repeat the sentence. You can pause and repeat that sentence. I hope to travel to another country. I hope to meet new people. I hope to try new food. I hope to learn new words. Phrase 4 is my goal is to. Example sentence is my goal is to speak English fluently. Repeat the sentence. You can pause and repeat that sentence. My goal is to speak English fluently. My goal is to find a good job. My goal is to be healthy and happy. Phrase 5 is I would like to. Example sentence is I would like to learn how to cook. Repeat the sentence. You can pause and repeat that sentence. I would like to learn how to cook. I would like to read more books. I would like to help my family. Now I will give an example of how you should introduce yourself. I will give a long monologue. This monologue is like a short speech. You can use this speech in class. You can use it in a meeting. You can use it when you meet new people. You can change the words to fit your own life. You can pause and repeat each sentence. Hello, my name is Ben. I am from the United States. I live in a small city. I teach English and I make videos. I love helping people learn. Today I will tell you about my goals for the future. I have many goals. Some goals are for my job. Some goals are for my family. Some goals are for my health. Some goals are for my travel and hobbies. I want to share these goals with you. I hope my words will help you make your own goals. First, a job goal. My goal is to grow my YouTube channel. I want more people to learn English with me. I plan to make new lessons every week. I want to make lessons that are easy to follow. I want lessons with simple words. I want lessons with practice. I want lessons with fun activities. I hope to help many students around the world. Second, a study goal. I want to learn new teaching methods. I plan to read books about language and teaching. I plan to take online courses. I hope to use new ideas in my lessons. I want to be a better teacher every year. I want to learn from my students too. I want to listen to student ideas. I want to improve my own English skills as well. Third, a family goal. My goal is to spend time with my family. I want to visit my parents more often. I want to call my family every week. I plan to save money for family trips. I hope to make memories with my family. I want to celebrate holidays with love and joy. Family is important to me. Fourth, a health goal. My goal is to be healthy. I want to exercise at least 3 times a week. I want to eat more fruits and vegetables. I plan to sleep 8 hours when I can. I hope to feel strong and happy. Health helps me do other things well. Health helps me teach and travel. Fifth, a travel goal. My goal is to visit new countries. I want to see different places and cultures. I plan to travel with friends and family sometimes. I hope to practice languages when I travel. I want to try local food and learn local words. Travel makes me curious and kind. Sixth, a skill goal. My goal is to learn a new skill each year. I want to try cooking new recipes. I want to learn to play a musical instrument. I plan to take a painting class. I hope to make new friends in these classes. New skills make life fun and rich. Seventh, a money goal. My goal is to save money for the future. I plan to save a part of my income each month. I want to make a small fund for travel and for family. I hope to have security. Savings help me feel calm and ready. Eighth, a giving goal. My goal is to help others. I want to volunteer in my community. I plan to teach free lessons sometimes. I hope to support small charities. I want to donate time and skill. Helping others makes me feel good. Now I will repeat the main idea. You can pause and repeat each line. I want to grow my channel. I want to learn new teaching methods. I want to spend time with family. I want to be healthy. I want to travel. I want to learn new skills. I want to save money. I want to help others. Now I will give short practice sentences. Repeat each sentence after me. You can pause the video and repeat the sentence slowly. You can say each sentence 2 times. I want to be a teacher. I want to be a teacher. I plan to study every day. I plan to study every day. I hope to travel next year. I hope to travel next year. My goal is to speak English well. My goal is to speak English well. I would like to learn to cook. I would like to learn to cook. I want to save money. I want to save money. I want to help my community. I want to help my community. Now I will give longer sentences. Repeat after me. You can pause the video and repeat. I want to grow my English channel to help more students. I want to grow my English channel to help more students. I plan to take a teaching course to learn new methods. I plan to take a teaching course to learn new methods. I hope to visit 3 new countries in the next 5 years. I hope to visit 3 new countries in the next 5 years. My goal is to read 12 books this year. My goal is to read 12 books this year. Now I will give some questions you can ask others. Use these questions in class or in a meeting. You can listen and repeat. What are your goals for the future? What are your goals for the future? Do you want to work in another country? Do you want to work in another country? What do you plan to learn next year? What do you plan to learn next year? How do you hope to reach your goals? How do you hope to reach your goals? Now I will give a short dialogue example. You can practice with a friend. I will speak both parts. You can repeat each part. Hello, my name is Ben. Hello, my name is Ben. Nice to meet you, Ben. Nice to meet you. What are your goals for the future? What are your goals for the future? I want to grow my English channel and help students. I want to grow my English channel and help students. That is a good goal. That is a good goal. How will you do that? How will you do that? I plan to make lessons every week and practice with my students. I plan to make lessons every week and practice with my students. That sounds great. That sounds great. You can pause the video and repeat that short dialogue with a friend. Repeat each line. Try to change the words. Try to use your own goals. Now some tips to help you reach your goals. Tip 1 is make small steps. Big goals are fine. Small steps help you move every day. Tip 2 is make a plan. A simple plan is good. Write 1 small step for each day. Tip 3 is practice often. Speak, read, write, and listen. Practice helps you get better. Tip 4 is ask for help. Talk to friends or teachers. A friend can help you stay motivated. Tip 5 is be patient. Progress takes time. Be kind to yourself. Now I will give more practice sentences and repeat them. You can pause and repeat each one. I will say the sentence twice. I want to learn English for work. I want to learn English for work. I want to travel and learn about the world. I want to travel and learn about the world. I plan to save money for a big trip. I plan to save money for a big trip. I hope to meet new people when I travel. I hope to meet new people when I travel. My goal is to be kind and helpful. My goal is to be kind and helpful. Now I will give a short exercise. I will ask 5 questions. You can answer the questions out loud. Pause the video and answer in full sentences. Question 1. What is one job you want in the future? Question 2. What skill do you want to learn next year? Question 3. How often will you study English? Question 4. Where do you want to travel? Question 5. How will you help others in your community? Now I will give model answers. You can repeat these answers or make your own. Answer 1. I want to be a teacher. Answer 2. I want to learn to code. Answer 3. I will study English every day for 30 minutes. Answer 4. I want to travel to Japan. Answer 5. I will volunteer at a local school. Now I will give a final long practice monologue. This is another example you can use when you meet new people. You can change the details to match your life. Hello, my name is Ben. I am a teacher and a video creator. I live in the United States. I love learning and teaching. My goals for the future are clear. I want to grow my channel to help many students. I plan to make better lessons every week. I want to learn new teaching methods and new skills. I hope to travel to see new places and meet new people. I want to spend more time with my family and friends. I plan to be healthy and active. I hope to save money for special trips and for my family. I want to give back to my community. I will do small steps every day to reach these goals. Thank you for listening to my goals for the future. Now tell me your goals. I would love to hear your plans. You can pause the video and repeat the full monologue. Try to say it with confidence. Try to speak slowly and clearly. Try to smile when you speak. Before we finish, a quick review. Use the phrases I want to, I plan to, I hope to, my goal is to, and I would like to. Use short sentences. Practice every day. Pause and repeat after each sentence. Ask simple questions to learn about others. Be kind and patient with yourself. That is all for today's lesson. Thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe. See you next time.